Last year you weren't around, my heart lacked warmth. When we stood watching the rain, your voice made me smile. I still remember the New Year's Day. I haven't forgotten a word when you said, be with me until the end of life. Last year, this year, I still remember you. That love never fades or disappears from my sleep. This heart still waits for the day you come back. The night air still misses me when your hand is warm on my hand. Old photos, I still look at them every night. Your voice is still in my heart, even though we were far apart before. The late night air is like losing feelings, but my heart still looks for you like the first day. Last year, this year, I still remember you. No matter how far away, love doesn't diminish. I hope one day I miss you and come back to fulfill love that has been missing for years. Sometimes there is hesitation. I don't know if you still think the same as before, but I still keep it because this love